Hello roomies, my name is Aisha and welcome to the DIY Sleeping Quarters channel. This video is a step-by-step guide on how to laminate your toddler's learning activities and printables. To get started, print out the activity, preferably in color. You can use your home computer or use FedEx, which charges 69 cents per colored page. Once you have printed out all of your sheets, start cutting out pieces that need to be cut out. Please note that for this shapes activity, I cut it out backwards. I should have cut out the shapes with the words written on them and not the other way around. So if you're using this shape activity, be sure to cut them out the other way around. So make sure you're cutting out the rectangle that has rectangle written on it, versus what I did. Also, I will include all of these activities in the description box for you to use. Once you've completed cutting out all of your shapes or all of your cutouts, place them in the laminating sheet. Try not to place them too close to the fold and make sure they have some type of space in between each one. Now, to save on the laminating sheets, I tried to put more than just one page in one laminating sheet. So I'm going to try to put these numbers also in that first laminating pouch just to save on supplies. So try to arrange them so that they are not touching. You want to be able to cut them out once sealed without affecting the seal. These laminating pouches that you see here came in a pack of 20 and was the Pen Gear brand. I'll mention it again later on in this video, but do note that 20 of the Pen Gear brand laminating pouches was cheaper than 10 of the Scotch brand laminating pouches, and my laminator is a Scotch brand. I bought my laminator as well as the pouches from Walmart. The laminator was about $23 and the pouches $20 for $10. There are 3 buttons and a gear on the laminator. It's pretty simple to use. The top button is the power button. If you press it, it automatically turns on the middle button, which is the default setting. 3 mil is for regular printing paper, and the bottom button, the 5 mil, is for photo printing or thick paper. The laminator takes about 5 minutes to warm up, and the ready light will flash blue when ready to use. The lever to the right should be pushed only if there's a paper jam. Again, this is pretty simple to use and was only $23. So, what you're gonna do is grab all your laminating sheets, lay them down flat, press them and try to seal them with your hand first, and then put them in the laminator, fold first, and the laminator will basically suck the paper into it and out of it. You do not have to push the paper in it. It automatically grabs the paper and takes it through. And once it's done, you don't have to pull it out. It basically comes out. So don't force it out. Once it's finished, it's finished. And I thought that I would have to do a practice run with this laminator, but I was really scared that I would have to do that, but I didn't. Again, this thing was pretty simple to use. I had no issues with it. There were no bubbles or anything like that. So you're going to do this for all the toddler activities. Now, once everything is laminated, again, I had no problems with this laminator. There was no bubbles. Start cutting out all the individual pieces that need to be cut out. Try not to cut too close to the image because you don't want to break the seal of the lamination or the laminating, whatever the proper term is. You don't want to break the seal. So, again, cut all of these. And once you've done that, start putting the Velcro strips onto the activities. So here you see I have white circled Velcro strips. I wanted clear. I would have preferred clear, but my Amazon order did not do what it was supposed to do. I gave them a bad review. I'm rambling here, but I would have preferred clear Velcro strips. I would leave an Amazon link, but then again, they gave me the wrong strips. I wanted clear and I got white. So put them on all the activities as well as the cutouts, and you have a finished toddler activity.
Black sheep. Good job. Uh-oh. What about the green frog? Green frog. Good job. A blue horse? Where does the blue horse go? It's a blue horse. Good job. What you got in your hand? Here's a brown bear. Red bird. An orange fish. It's a brown bear. A yellow duck. Good job. A white dog. And what does this go? It's a purple cat. Yay, Brody. Good job. You're so smart. Good job. Yeah.
This basically concludes my video. If you're not already a roomie and would like to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up button, as well as leave a comment for videos that you would like to see related to this one. And always check the description box for things related to my videos or my channel. And as always, thank you for watching.